Welcome to Rena MoMoney videos, Rena MoMoney Plus. Thank you again. So come right in. Today we're going to be talking about marketing if you're broke. Marketing if you're broke. Yeah, but if you're broke, we have some marketing tools that will really help you out. Okay? Before we start, I want you to get your tablet, get your Rena MoMoney tablet, get your pen, subscribe now. Click the belly, click the little bell so that you can get the notifications on all the great stuff that I got for you. All right, jumping right in. Marketing if you're broke. Let's go. The very first thing you want to do if you're low on money and you want to get these deals, you must market. And you can start out with bandit signs. Yes, bandit signs. Bandit signs are one of the cheapest, fastest way to get deals. Bandit signs. You have the cheap bandit signs where you can go in and write it in a Sharpie, a little black Sharpie. Speaking of that, you can get the plastic from Home Depot or Lowe's. Then you get the Sharpie from Dollar Tree. Not this is my pen, but you get your Sharpie, a black thick bowl from Dollar Tree. And you can get your sticks. You have to order your sticks, the little steak sticks. You can order the little wooden sticks. And you can get like 50 or 25. If you want to start small, start at 25 and get those. You can go on Google and order the little sticks that go on the ground, and then you can staple them on there. Or you even get some duct tape that you can also get from the dollar store and put that on there. So the cheapest, easiest way to do bandit signs is to go and get the 25 to 50 from Home Depot or Lowe's. Get a Sharpie from Dollar Tree, get some duct tape or some black tape so that you can tape the stick onto the back of the poster board and stick it in the ground. You got to buy the sticks though, and you can Google that up to find out which company to buy the sticks, because I think they come like 12 in a pack or something like that. It may be 15 in a pack, I'm not sure. Then there's also the professional signs that you can use where they'll do it for you, and you can go on Google to find out professional bandit signs. You get all these that come up. If you're trying to go the cheap route, you may find that 50 is probably the best way if you're going to do the professional route. I usually get 100 of them. And I'll show you, I don't want to show my number here, but you want to be creative. This is the professional looking sign. It's just a quick little sign that you want to get that you're going to put down around the town, around the city. Okay, so bandit signs, and you want to keep it simple. Write that down. Keep it simple. So you're going to get these bandit signs, whether you do handwritten or professional. That's your choice. That's up to you. Depends on how broke you are and how you want to start and how you want to look. So you got your professional signs and you have your cheap written signs. Both work. Both are okay. Again, depends on how broke you are. Keep it simple. Don't put everything on this one sign. People need to be able to read it. Keep that in mind. They need to be able to read it. And what you want them to read the most is your telephone number and what you got going on. So if you buy houses, need help, those are the things that you want to flash out to them, and your telephone number. You don't need an email address. You don't need a slogan. You don't need all that stuff on a bandit sign. You don't need a big old logo in the corner. If you do have a logo to kind of stand you out, do that. Or maybe have a different color to stand you out. Or maybe a different font to stand you out. Whatever it is, keep it simple. You want to have 3 or 4 things on it. We buy houses, or I buy houses, or Rena buy houses, or however you want to do it. But keep it simple. And don't use your real number. Another tip. Okay, so you got bandit signs, keep it simple, and don't use your real number. That's the tip to write down. Do not use your real number. What I mean by that, you use a number that's going to go to you because you need to be contacted. But you need to get a Google Voice number or a number from some other source, whereas you can be reached, but it's not your primary number. And let me tell you why. Here's something they don't want you to know. Here's something. Because code enforcement in a lot of counties and a lot of cities, code enforcement do not allow you to have these signs out on the street. And a lot of cities have that in their audience. So you want to be mindful of that, to put a Google Voice number or a different type of number. Some people use a service where they'll answer your phone calls for you and screen your calls to answer the questions and all that good stuff, and you will never miss a call. So if you're working right now and haven't gotten off the job yet, and you work between these serious hours or business hours or crucial hours, prime peak time hours, then you definitely want to have some type of source where your voicemail does not pick up. Write that down as a tip. You want to have it where they actually will receive a human. So if you're in a loud place or something of that nature, you may need to consider using a service, a answer machine service. And I can't think of the name right now, but you can Google that for a tip if you're not able to answer your calls. So get another number, get a voicemail, Google Voice or something of that nature. If you use the professional sign, get 100 of those. Get 100 of those, and you can put them out on the weekends. Now, let me tell you about putting these signs out. You want to put the signs out on Thursday evening, and I'm gonna tell you why. Code enforcement, again, code enforcement normally have a different type of task on Friday. So, or they may not work on Friday in your town, or that's not their focus on a Friday. So you want to put them out late Thursday after 8 p.m. I would recommend having someone to do them 11, 12 o'clock at night. It just depends on how the time or the schedule of the person that you're going to have put them out. To save money, if you want to do this the cheap and easiest way, you put them out so that way you know that they are out. Okay, if you have someone else do it, write this down. If you have someone else to do it, your tracking mechanism would be to have them to take a picture of the intersection that they're at and the sign. So if you're paying them, and I would recommend paying them by the signs. So if they're putting out 20 signs, it depends. If you only ordered 20 signs, if you only did 20 signs, hey, save that money, go do it yourself. It's real easy. Take you about an hour, hour and a half altogether. Depends on the location and the area that you're going to be posting these bandit signs. The professional ones cost about $550 with the shipping and the stakes. There will be stakes, the little aluminum stakes, the little metal stakes. They'll have the little stakes. They go at the bottom here. Let me show you again. They go at the bottom of the sign. They'll have stakes that you'll stick and put in so you can put it in the ground. Make sure that your writing is big and legible if you're going to go the route of writing it yourself. Like I said, you're going to get the black, big, bold Sharpie where you can darken it in so that your telephone number and what you're doing will stand out. You can go on Amazon for the H-shaped metal stands. And you can also Google it up. You call it H-shaped metal bandit sign stands or real estate sign stands. Some of this stuff you can Google up. At least you have the tip and you have the resource now to know exactly how to do that. You want to place your bandit signs by busy intersections, red lights, stop signs, things of that nature. Do not put it in where you're about to yield. Don't put it in the middle of a road that everybody needs to drive 45 and 50 and they're just passing by. You want to put it where they need to stop. Again, that's intersections, red lights, stop lights, things of that nature, busy intersections where people are going to stop, where the traffic is heavy, but they need to stop. So that's going to get you more attraction, more attention, and they can actually take a look at it and write down the number. They'll be able to see exactly, and it gives them a time to think and say, you know what, I do have this house over here I need to get rid of. Oh, taxes coming up again due on this thing. Let me get rid of this thing. Or I'm living over here and I still haven't did anything about this house. It gives them a moment to think too. So you want to put them by the stoplights, busy intersections, and all that good stuff. Also, you want to put them in older neighborhoods. Older neighborhoods are the best for wholesaling. A lot of times, because of the process, what you need to do, because you're not actually literally buying it, because you're trying to make some money and you want it to be some room in there from the value of it and buying it. Remember, the whole thing here is wholesale. So you're trying to buy them below the market price. So if you're buying them below the market price, the best place is older homes. If you go out there and try to get a 2019 or 2020, 9 times out of 10, those people pay $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 for that house. There's not a lot of room in there. So get the older homes. So you want to go in older neighborhoods, that the neighborhood that you are okay with investing in. Now, I've also heard, and throughout my years, I found myself not only putting my signs where I'm going to invest in, I'll put them in signs that I just think people may be having a problem and I may not even want the house in that area, but guess what? You're not keeping it. You're not rehabbing it. You're not putting it in your portfolio. You are going to simply sell your equitable interest. You're going to wholesale this deal. So don't get picky on the area that you place these bandit signs. Place these bandit signs all over. Those bandit signs. So you just had a full training, a full tutorial on bandit signs. If you have any questions, or if I missed something, or something you didn't quite understand, comment below. Let me know. I'll get back to it. We'll answer it, and to kind of get you going, because I want you to start moving and start moving fast. And sometimes it could be something very simple that can be answered really quick. So comment below, introduce yourself, tell me where you're from, tell me what your niche is, and where your direction is. You can even tell me your why. That'll be good. I like to hear that. The second thing you want to do if you're marketing and you're broke, you want to call other bandit signs. It may be annoying, it may sound kind of, but call other bandit signs, because guess what? That's an investor. That's an investor that you can get a feel of talking to. You can even pick up tips on some of the verbiage that they're using. So call other bandit signs. 9 times out of 10, it's a bandit sign that they may be trying to literally buy properties. They may live in Miami, they may live in California, they may live in Detroit, and they're trying to buy properties in Chicago or another area, and they've had someone that they've paid to send out bandit signs. A lot of times they're other wholesalers. A lot of times they're really, truly, they're realtors. So you want to call all different type of bandit signs that actually has anything related to real estate, because that's going to help you to learn as well. So call other bandit signs. You want to look at the Craigslist. That's number 3. That's another way to market if you're broke. So you have your bandit signs to market if you're broke that you're going to purchase and put out. You have other people's signs that you're going to call. And you also have the Craigslist. Craigslist is my best friend. I absolutely love Craigslist. Craigslist is free and everybody's on it. Everybody. So you're going to advertise that you buy houses on Craigslist. You're going to go to real estate. You're going to go under the broker. You're going to go under agent. You're going to go under selling homes. You're going to go under apartments. You're going to go under every area, any area, services, real estate services. Don't forget that. Any area related to real estate that's on a Craigslist, you're gonna copy and paste. You're going to have this created advertisement. What you want to put on advertisement? You want to put on there that you buy houses. How you want to word it? You want to keep it short and simple. Looking for a home? Are you in foreclosure? Are you trying to sell and no one's buying? Are you over? Do you owe too much? You want to start out with something that's going to catch them. Do you want fast cash now? You got too many repairs? I'm your girl. Things like that, trying to think of some more creative ways. If that's something you'd like for me to put a video on, comment below and let me know if you want me to add some tips and some more marketing ad ideas, because I got a lot of them. Again, I've been doing this for a minute, so I got a lot of them. Stick with me, I'll run down all of them at the same time. So Craigslist is definitely a way to market if you're broke. Okay, also, you want to post on Facebook. Social media, yeah. I know everybody knows about social media. Make sure you put what you're doing on social media. Post that out. Put it out there. Place an ad, But if you're broke, you're just going to put it on your free stuff. Everything that's free. Put it out there in marketplace. Matter of fact, take a picture of a house that's ran down. Take a picture of a house that's lived in. Take a picture of a nice house. Take a picture of a dream house. So go around. Let's do that. Go around town. Take a picture of a broke, ran down house that appears to be vacant and distressed. 2, you want to take one of someone's living, like a rental type property that's pretty decent, but it's rental. 3, a nice livable home that that's pretty nice, maybe a first-time home. It's pretty nice. And then the 4th type of house is like a dream house. You want to take a picture of all 4 of those things and have that in your phone. So when you get ready to place an ad, in that ad you make sure that you put your phone number. Put the phone number that you want people to contact you on. Don't put a phone number that automatically goes to a voicemail. Put the phone number you want to be reached on. And I would recommend having Google Voice and have it forwarded to your cell. You know, that's what we did for a long time until we got somebody to handle those things for us. We had a Google Voice and had to go to the cell where they couldn't see the cell number, but it rung right into me. The next thing you want to do, marketing if you're broke, is to send out letters. You want to handwrite, send out letters. You want to create a letter, and I'll try to put an example of a letter in either this video or either in our marketing video. So again, you want to subscribe, put the bell on, go through the videos so that you'll know when we'll come on to give you these great tips and these great tools for being a successful real estate investor. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get those. So to do a quick recap, if you're writing this down, you need to make sure you have down bandit signs, call other bandit signs, Craigslist, post on Facebook, and write out and send letters to owners, to property owners, to the sellers, or potential owners. Another great thing too is you're sending them to owners, make sure you're tapping on landlords, because you'll be surprised how many landlords are tired. That will come in another marketing piece. This was basically marketing if you're broke. We're going to have videos on breakdown of different forms of marketing and step-by-step on marketing and what to do. So if this video was helpful to you, click the like. Let me know what you think. Click like so that we can get more great content like this coming your way. Again, this is Rena MoMoney, and I appreciate you so much. Thanks for coming to the channel. Click like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next Rena MoMoney Plus video.